Hey everybody, this is my helper, Peyton, my daughter. She's gonna help us today learn how to make hand sanitizer. So you know that out there it is extremely hard to find hand sanitizer in stock right now. So we went to the store and we got what we could as far as aloe. So you can see we just got generic brand aloe. We had some extra in our house because we're fair complected and we burn really easily. And then we ordered this online because we didn't know we'd be able to find that at Meijer. It was out the other day. In addition to that, we ordered from Amazon this isopropyl alcohol, 99%. That's what our recipe called for. So you really just need aloe and the alcohol. Peyton, you want to go ahead and take it away from here?
Yes. So to start with, you want to start with the aloe gel. You just put about 1/4 of whatever size container you have in. So
1/4 part aloe.
You might have to do this a couple of times.
Yep. Think you're pretty close, maybe a little bit more.
You add more aloe gel the thicker you want it.
Yep, so in our house we've been going high on the alcohol just to make sure that it's potent enough. Peyton, go ahead and put in the isopropyl.
Oh, real quick, I'm gonna go grab a bowl.
That's okay, we can pour it in there.
Okay.
We just have to be very careful. We're just gonna fill it up.
Okay.
And put the lid on.
And then you're going to shake it.
And then we are gonna shake it up.
Just make sure the lid's on really tight. Okay.
Okay, how's that looking?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Yep, so you can see the alcohol kind of dissolves a lot of the aloe and it just becomes a hand sanitizer. So this is something we're excited about until we can readily get hand sanitizer out there in the real world. This has been a good activity for our kids to do. And 2, we have more than enough to make a few more bottles. Justin and I both work outside of the home. And so it's important for us to carry these with us at all times when we are interacting with clients. My real estate clients, Justin's construction and renovation clients, both of our roles have been deemed necessary. And in order for us to do a great job, we need this magic bottle and we also need masks. So we went ahead and we ordered face masks for ourselves and for our clients. And then I know I am wearing gloves out in public to make sure that anything that I touch in a consumer's home, a seller's home, is not being contaminated. And I'm taking the hand sanitizer for my clients so they can use it too. Anyhow, like the sign says, being happy never goes out of style. So stay well and spread some hope. Say bye, Peyton.